YMCA, Tampa Bay Bodies, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of Rocking the Wagon Wheel. There's a million versions of it. This is my version of it, and it's nice and easy and simple, and I know you can do it. It's a four-wall dance, so we're going to start with our weight on our left foot. We're going to take 2 steps to the right corner and 2 steps to the left corner. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the first 8 counts. One more time. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now your weight's on your left foot. I told you it's a 4-wall dance. To get to that wall, you're going to do a jazz box. However, I'm going to show you a jazz box, but if you can't do it, I'll show you the simple version of it. So you're going to cross over, step back, turn side together, and that gets you to the next wall. One more time. Our weight's on our left foot. You're going to step over, step back, step side together. With the count, weight's on our left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you say, oh, Julie, that's just too complicated, watch this. You could do the same thing, but just stepping it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember what I tell you, it doesn't matter what you're doing on the feet as long as you're kind of following along. People are looking at you from the shoulders up. If you have a big smile on your face, that's what they're looking at. Okay, so those are the first 16 counts. Let's try it and then we'll finish up the dance. Our weight's on our left foot. Ready, and 2 steps right, and 2 steps left. Cross over, step back, step side together. Now the next, the ending of the dance, our weight's on our next wall. We're going to mambo. So we're going to mambo right and mambo left. Now when you mambo, imagine that you're stepping on an ant side to side. You're going to throw your weight. That knee has to be bent because your hips, you know, want to follow and kind of look kind of cute and sexy. So mambo and mambo. Try it a couple times. Mambo and mambo with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the first three parts to the dance. And the last one is just a rock step. So our weight's on our left foot. We're going to rock forward and backward. Think of a rocking chair right here, and it rocks back and forth to the center. So you're going to rock forward and back, and forward and back. So this weight, this left foot, always stays on this center. It doesn't move, and just the right foot goes forward and back. So let's try a couple of those rock steps. Ready, and rock forward, back, and forward, and back, and forward, and back, with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're ready to start again. Let's go through the whole thing together. Weights on our left foot. Ready, and 2 steps right, and 2 steps left. Cross over, step back, side together. Mambo right, mambo left, and rock it. And rock it from the top. 2 steps right, 2 steps left, cross over, step back, side together. Mambo right, mambo left, and rock it. And rock it. And 2 steps right, and 2 steps left, cross over, step back, side together. Mambo right, mambo left, and rock it. One more time, and 2 steps right, 2 steps left, cross over, step back, turn side together. Mambo right, mambo left, and rock it. And rock it. Well, I hope you're practicing. Just keep doing it and doing it. And if you say it, you can usually do it. do it. So keep practicing, try to memorize the words, and I bet you can do it. So until we see you again, June Coutte, Tampa Bay Bodies, keep on moving.